All right, it's Christmas Eve, and I am cooking the Seven Fishes dinner. I'm busy, and all I've heard since about 9 o'clock is, can we open up a present? So here we are. They're opening up a present. Let's see what you got, Matt. Sarah's already ripping into hers. She's the one who keeps asking, not Madison. What is it, Mad? Whoa! What is that, Mad?
Food truck.
Whoa! Pop gets you one every year, doesn't he?
Yeah.
She's got all of them out here, Pop.
It's a toy truck.
She's always playing with them, and this was the present she wanted to pick.
It's a toy truck and race car.
Toy truck. Say hi to Mom and Pop and thank you.
Hi, Mom and Papa. Thank you for the head card back from your mom.
Aww.
I got.
Oh, what did Tara get?
I opened it up. Mom. I got a Forever 21 bathrobe. And
That is cute.
It's really comfortable. And I went and picked it out with them. And I love it, and I've been waiting for it. And then I also got these sleeping chairs.
Cute.
And really fluffy, so I'll keep it out.
Those are adorable.
I'm really happy.
Yay. Say Merry Christmas and thank you.
Merry Christmas, thank you. Merry Christmas.